Hi guys, it's the Queen. It's my Talk to Me Tuesday for June the 4th, 2019. It's the first Tuesday in June, and this year is just like zooming by already. I didn't think I was going to have a video to do today because I hadn't done anything all week. And all weekend I spent time outside since we actually had dry weather. So I got a lot of yard work caught up and a lot of gardening, and I was really tired from that. But then I got to thinking I need to do something to show. I was going to show a couple of things I got. All our the Walmarts here are the fabric sections are being redone. So they've changed a lot of things around. They have almost all their fabric on clearance. Everything is like $2 a yard. There's some things that are $1 a yard, and the minkies are $5 a yard. So I will probably go back out and get some of those so I can have on hand for when I need to make some baby blankets for gifts or something. But I bought the white, and I can't remember what it's called, the fabric that reusable shopping bags are made from. I bought that in white. They didn't have too many good colors, red, blue, white, and like a Kelly green. So that was the extent of it. So I just figured I'd get white and I'd make small shopping bags and somehow get the Broken Heart Bag logo on there, or even the Queen of Creative logo. I'm not sure yet, but I have the fabric for whenever I figure out what to do. But the only thing that I really made this week was it's a rope bowl, but it's a square. I wanted that square shape. So I started off square and let it get up. And right here I'm not done. That's where this is one roll of the rope. I'm still trying to figure out how I want my handles. So I just sewed until it ran out, and I've got to go get more thread because with all the zigzag stitches, it takes a lot of thread. I went through, I think, 5 bobbins just on this alone. And, I don't know, I gotta go buy some more thread for sure if I want to make this just a little bit bigger. Maybe like 6 more rolls higher, and then the handles. Not sure. I'm just playing it by ear. I bought a new iron from this lady that puts up an online shop. She lists a lot of things on the Facebook Marketplace. I went to look at some shelving for the daycare playroom, but it had a dent in it, and for the price that she wanted, it wasn't worth it. So I left it. The only other one they had was white, and it was only 6 cubby containers, and I wanted 8 so I could lay it the long way. But anyway, I'll find one eventually. But I did find an iron. She had a nice Sunbeam. Hold on, I'll just get it. It's a Sunbeam Precision Ceramic iron. And it's nice. It was clearanced at Target. The price was $24.98, but I purchased it from her for $5. She had a whole crate full of these irons and a couple other irons. I'm going to just take it out of the bag and show you what it looks like. It's not bad. I do not like this because my other iron had the retractable cord where you just push the button and it stored the cord here in the base. but I do like this ceramic coated, what's it called? Aero ceramic plate. So I haven't used it yet, as you can tell, but as soon as I get back to sewing, I will try it out. If push comes to shove and I don't like it, I'll give it to my mom, because I'm pretty sure by now she will need a new iron, because she irons faithfully. Every Friday is her ironing day. That was the only thing I have to show, because I still haven't done anything else. Like I said before, I've got my table here is full of projects that are semi-completed or just in the thought process. So I don't have anything else. I did not watch videos last week, did I? I watched a few and then I got sidetracked. Hug the ones you love, stay crafty and creative, and I will see you in your videos. Have a good week, guys. Bye-bye.